Have you ever let out a big burp after eating a meal or drinking a fizzy drink? Burp. Sometimes it's loud. Sometimes it's tiny. And sometimes it surprises everyone around you.
What?
But have you ever wondered why we burp?
为什么我们会打嗝呢？
Let's find out. Every time we eat or drink, we swallow a little bit of air along with our food.
Wow.
We don't even notice it happening.
What is this? It's very nice.
That air travels down a tube called the esophagus and into our stomach. Now, imagine blowing air into a balloon. The more air you put inside, the bigger the balloon becomes. Something similar happens in your stomach. As more air gets trapped inside, the stomach starts filling up with gas. But your stomach doesn't want too much extra gas hanging around. So what does it do?
So, what does it do?
It pushes the gas back up through the esophagus and out through your mouth. And that's called a burp. A burp is simply your body's way of getting rid of extra air. Pretty clever, right? But swallowing air while eating isn't the only thing that causes burps. Have you ever had a fizzy drink? Soda, sparkling water, or other bubbly drinks contain a gas called carbon dioxide. Those tiny bubbles are filled with gas. When the drink reaches your stomach, the bubbles pop and release that gas.
帮助分解食物，促进消化。
The extra gas builds up in your stomach. And before long, burp. Out it comes. That's why people often burp more after drinking fizzy drinks. Now here's another interesting fact. Eating too fast can make you burp more. Why? Because when you rush through a meal, you swallow more air. Imagine trying to talk, laugh, and eat all at the same time. You end up gulping down extra air without even realizing it. The more air you swallow, the more likely you are to burp later. Chewing gum can also cause extra burps. Every time you chew gum, you swallow small amounts of air. That air can collect in your stomach and eventually come back out as a burp. Even drinking through a straw can sometimes make you swallow extra air. Your body is constantly working to keep everything balanced. When too much gas builds up, burping helps relieve pressure in the stomach. In fact, burping is completely normal. Everyone burps. Kids burp. Parents burp. Teachers burp. Even babies burp. Have you ever seen a grown-up gently pat a baby's back after feeding? That's because babies swallow lots of air while drinking milk. Patting their back helps the trapped air escape as a burp, making the baby feel more comfortable. Now you might be wondering, can animals burp too? Yes, many animals can burp. Cows are famous for producing lots of gas while digesting their food. Some of that gas leaves their bodies as burps. Here's a fun fact. The average person burps many times every day, often without even noticing. Most burps are small and quiet. Some are bigger and louder. But they're all part of your body's normal digestive process. However, if someone is burping a lot and also has stomach pain or discomfort, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor. Now, let's quickly remember what we learned today. When we eat and drink, we swallow a little air. That air can get trapped inside the stomach. Fizzy drinks create extra gas inside the stomach. The stomach pushes the extra gas back out through the mouth. And that's what we call a burp. So the next time you hear someone burp, you'll know exactly what's happening. It's just the body's way of saying, "Excuse me, I had some extra air to get rid of." Science is full of amazing surprises hiding inside our everyday lives. Don't forget to subscribe to Super Simple Science Stories for more fun science adventures and answers to your biggest questions. See you next time, curious scientists.